Welcome to my channel. Value quarter dollar. The 50 euro cent coin from 2002 marked with IR and R is an Italian issued coin from the first year of euro circulation, and it carries both historical and numismatic significance. The IR stands for the designer, Maria Carmela Colonnari, her initials, while the R indicates that the coin was minted at the Rome Mint, Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato. The obverse, national side, of this coin features the famous equestrian statue of Marcus Aurelius, which is located in Piazza del Campidoglio in Rome, a design that reflects Italy's deep connection to Roman history and classical art. Surrounding the image are the 12 stars of Europe, symbolizing unity among European nations. While the year 2002 marks the first year euro coins were introduced into circulation across the Eurozone, replacing national currencies like the Italian lira. The reverse, common side, designed by Luc La, shows the denomination, 50 euro cent, along with a map of Europe, representing the shared identity of the euro currency system. The M and R full details you mentioned likely relate to mint marks. Die variations are collector shorthand descriptions. The R is clearly the Rome mint mark, but M could be interpreted differently depending on the context. Sometimes collectors use such letters informally to describe minor die marks. Metal flow lines are cataloging notes rather than official mint engravings. Full R may refer to the clarity or strength of the mint mark, R, meaning it is sharply struck and fully visible, which can matter for grading. Coins from 2002 Italy are generally common because they were produced in large quantities for initial euro adoption. But condition plays a major role in value. A coin in circulated condition is usually worth only its face value, 0.50 euro, while uncirculated or mint state examples, especially those with strong strikes, no wear, and original luster, can be slightly more valuable to collectors, though still not rare. However, if there are genuine mint errors, unusual die varieties, or exceptional preservation, such as being graded MS67 or higher, the value could increase significantly in the numismatic market. From a broader perspective, the 2002 Italian 50-cent coin represents a transitional moment in European economic history, the physical introduction of a unified currency that simplified trade, travel, and financial integration across member states. Italy chose culturally rich imagery like Marcus Aurelius to assert national identity within a shared system, making these coins miniature pieces of art and history. Collectors often keep 2002 euro coins as part of first year of issue sets, which can carry sentimental and historical importance even if they are not highly valuable individually. Over time, factors such as rarity in high grades, demand among euro collectors, and any documented minting anomalies could influence prices, but for most examples, especially circulated ones, the value remains modest. If you're trying to determine whether your specific coin is special, the key things to check would be its condition. Look for wear, scratches, luster, strike quality, sharpness of details like Marcus Aurelius and the stars, and any unusual features, misprints, off-center strikes, double dies. Professional grading services or detailed coin catalogs can help confirm whether your coin has any premium beyond face value. The next top. The 2002 RF 50 euro cent coin is one of the first euro coins issued by France after the euro currency officially entered circulation in January 2002. The letters RF on the coin stand for République Française, meaning French Republic, and they are an important identifying feature of French euro coins. The French 50-cent coin belongs to the Eurocent series made for circulation across the Eurozone, and it quickly became a symbol of European unity combined with national identity. On the obverse, national side, of the coin, the design features the sower, or la Semeuse, a famous French symbol originally created by engraver Oscar Rodi in the late 19th century. The image shows a woman sowing seeds while walking against the wind, representing liberty, agriculture, hope, and the future of France. Around the design are the 12 stars of the European Union, symbolizing unity among European nations. The year 2002 appears clearly on the coin because it marks the first major circulation year of euro coins in banknotes. The reverse side is the common European design used by all euro countries at that time, showing the value 50 euro cent beside a map of Europe. The coin was produced using a metal alloy called Nordic gold, which is not real gold but a special copper-based alloy made from copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. This gives the coin its golden appearance and makes it resistant to corrosion. The coin weighs about 7.8 grams, has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, and features a reeded edge for easier identification by touch. Millions of these coins were minted in 2002 because the euro was brand new and needed large quantities for circulation across Europe. Most examples found today are common and usually worth only face value unless they are in exceptional mint condition, proof quality, or contain a rare minting error. Some collectors search for unusual varieties, off-center strikes, double strikes, or rare mint marks, which can increase value significantly. Many misleading internet videos claim ordinary 2002 RF 50-cent coins are worth hundreds or thousands of euros. But most circulating examples are not rare. Coin collectors value the piece more for its historical importance than for high monetary worth because it represents the beginning of the euro era in modern European history. The coin is also appreciated artistically because La Semeuse has appeared on French currency for over a century and remains one of the most recognized symbols in French numismatics. For collectors, a clean uncirculated 2002 RF 50 euro cent coin can still be an attractive addition to a euro collection, especially as part of a complete first-year euro set from France. The next top. The 50 euro cent coin from the year 2009 is one of the most widely used coins in Europe and forms part of the common European currency system known as the euro. The coin has a face value of half a euro, 50 cents, and was issued by countries that use the euro currency, including Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Austria, Belgium, Slovakia, and several others. Although all 50 euro cent coins share the same common reverse side, each country has its own national design on the obverse side. This means a 2009 coin from Germany looks different from a 2009 coin from Italy or Slovakia, even though they all have the same monetary value and can be used throughout the Eurozone. The 50 euro cent coin is made from an alloy called Nordic gold, which is not real gold but a special mixture of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. This alloy gives the coin its golden appearance while making it durable and resistant to corrosion. The coin weighs approximately 7.80 grams, has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, and a thickness of about 2.38 millimeters. Its edge is finely indented with reeded grooves, which help people identify it by touch and also make counterfeiting more difficult. Wikipedia +1. The history of the euro coin system began in the late 1990s when European Union member states decided to create a shared currency to strengthen economic cooperation and simplify trade and travel across Europe. Euro coins officially entered circulation in 2002, but many coins were minted earlier with dates beginning in 1999. By 2009, the euro had already become one of the world's most important currencies. Coins minted in 2009 are especially interesting because they belong to a period shortly after the redesign of the common reverse side introduced in 2007. Earlier euro cent coins showed only the original European Union member countries, while the newer design displayed a more complete map of Europe without national borders. This redesign symbolized unity and expansion within Europe. The reverse side of the 50 euro cent coin was designed by Belgian artist Luc La, whose initials, LL, can be found on the coin near the number 50. Wikipedia +1. One fascinating feature of the 2009 50 euro cent coin is the variety of national designs. Germany's coin features the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of German reunification and peace. Austria's version displays the famous Vienna Secession Building, representing Austrian art and culture. Slovakia, which adopted the euro in 2009, issued coins featuring Bratislava Castle. Italy's version shows the ancient equestrian statue of Marcus Aurelius located in Rome. Belgium's coin in 2009 displayed a portrait of King Albert II. These national designs make euro coins very popular among collectors because someone can gather coins from different countries while keeping the same denomination. Euronomy plus 4 coin collectors, also known as numismatists, often search for specific years, mint marks, rare designs, or minting errors among euro coins. Most regular 2009 50 euro cent coins are only worth their face value unless they are in exceptional condition or come from countries with low mintages. Coins in uncirculated or proof condition may be worth slightly more to collectors. Some coins from microstates such as Vatican City, Monaco, or San Marino can become more valuable because they were minted in smaller quantities. However, most standard circulation coins from major countries like Germany, France, or Spain remain common. Collectors carefully inspect coins for unusual features such as double strikes, off-center designs, missing details, or color abnormalities, because rare minting errors can significantly increase value. Euro coins catalog plus 3. The material called Nordic gold is one of the most interesting aspects of the coin. Despite its name, it contains no actual gold. The alloy was chosen because it is strong, inexpensive, and difficult to counterfeit. It also does not easily trigger allergies because it contains no nickel. Over time, the coin develops a darker tone due to circulation and oxidation. But it remains durable even after many years of use. Millions of these coins pass through shops, buses, trains, vending machines, and markets every day across Europe. Because the euro is used in many countries, the coins travel widely. A coin minted in Spain may later appear in Germany or Finland. Many travelers enjoy checking their change to discover coins from countries they have never visited. Wikipedia plus 1. The introduction of euro coins was considered one of the most ambitious monetary projects in modern history. Before the euro, European countries used separate national currencies such as the German mark, French franc, Italian lira, Spanish peseta, and Dutch guilder. The euro simplified trade, tourism, and banking across Europe. The 50 euro cent coin became an everyday symbol of European integration because it combined a shared European reverse side with national cultural symbols on the front. This balance between unity and national identity remains one of the defining characteristics of euro coinage today. Millions of people use the coin without thinking much about it, but historians and collectors see it as a small piece of political and economic history. Wikipedia plus 1. Another interesting topic is minting technology. Euro coins are produced in national mints across Europe using highly precise machinery. Large sheets of metal are stamped into blanks, heated, cleaned, and then struck under enormous pressure to imprint the designs. Quality control is extremely important because even small mistakes can create defective coins. Certain collectors search specifically for minting errors because they are rare and unusual. Fake euro coins also exist, although they are less common for lower denominations such as 50 cents. Experts often identify counterfeit coins by checking their color, edge, weight, magnetic properties, and design details. The next top. The 50 euro cent coin is one of the most widely recognized coins in the euro currency system and represents half of 1 euro. The coin belongs to the euro cent series used by countries in the eurozone. And although every 50 euro cent coin shares the same common European reverse side, the national side changes depending on the country that issued it. A 2011 coin may therefore come from countries such as Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Belgium, Austria, Finland, Portugal, Greece, Malta, Slovakia, Slovenia, or other euro-using nations. Collectors often examine the national design, mint marks, rarity, and condition to determine whether a specific 2011 issue has collector value beyond its face value. The coin is made from a special alloy known as Nordic gold, which is actually not real gold but a combination of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. This alloy gives the coin its golden appearance while making it durable, corrosion resistant, and suitable for long circulation in everyday use. The standard 50 euro cent coin weighs approximately 7.80 grams, has a diameter of 24.25 millimeters, and a thickness of around 2.38 millimeters. Its edge has fine scalloped indentations that help visually impaired people recognize it easily by touch. Wikipedia +1. The history of the 50 euro cent coin is closely connected to the creation of the euro itself. The euro was introduced as an electronic currency in 1999, but physical euro coins and banknotes officially entered circulation in 2002. However, some coins carry earlier dates because they were minted before public release. By 2011, the euro had become one of the most important currencies in the world, used daily by hundreds of millions of people across Europe. The common reverse side of the coin was designed by Belgian artist Luc La, whose initials, LL, can be found on the coin. Earlier versions of the euro cent reverse displayed the original member states of the European Union separately. But after 2007, the design was updated to show a more unified map of Europe without borders between countries, symbolizing European unity and cooperation. The number 50 appears prominently on the reverse side along with the words euro cent. Around the edge are 12 stars representing the European Union flag and the ideals of solidarity and harmony among European nations. Wikipedia +1. One fascinating aspect of the 2011 50 euro cent coin is the huge variety of national designs. Germany, for example, features the Brandenburg Gate on its 50-cent coin, symbolizing unity and peace after the Cold War. Italy displays the famous equestrian statue of Marcus Aurelius from Rome's Capitoline Hill, reflecting Italy's ancient Roman heritage. Austria uses the image of the Vienna Secession Building, representing modern art and the cultural movement known as Jugendstil or Art Nouveau. Spain traditionally features King Juan Carlos I on older issues from that period, while Belgium displayed King Albert II in 2011. Finland used a heraldic lion, Ireland used the Celtic harp, and Greece used the portrait of Eleftherios Venizelos, an important Greek statesman. Each country selected symbols intended to represent its culture, history, identity, or achievements while still sharing the same common European side. This mixture of national identity and continental unity is one of the most distinctive characteristics of euro coinage. European Central Bank +3 collectors of euro coins often pay close attention to mintages, which means the number of coins produced in a given year. Some 2011 50 euro cent coins were minted in very large quantities and are therefore common, while others were issued in smaller numbers and may be harder to find. Belgium reportedly minted around 15 million 50-cent coins in 2011, making them relatively common in circulation. Austria minted around 6 million, while some smaller states or special mint releases had far lower numbers. Certain countries such as Malta or Vatican City can become especially collectible because their circulation mintages are much smaller compared to larger Eurozone nations. Coins from microstates like Monaco, San Marino, and Vatican City are highly desired by collectors due to scarcity and limited distribution. Even ordinary coins can become valuable if they contain minting errors, unusual features, or are preserved in perfect uncirculated condition. Foronum +3. The condition of a coin plays a major role in determining its collector value. A heavily circulated 2011 50 euro cent coin usually remains worth only its face value of 50 cents. However, uncirculated examples, proof coins, or coins in mint condition may sell for higher amounts among collectors. Professional grading services evaluate coins based on scratches, shine, wear, strike quality, and overall appearance. Terms like UNC, uncirculated, XF, extremely fine, VF, very fine, and F, fine, are commonly used in numismatics. Coins preserved in official mint sets or proof sets often have mirror-like surfaces and sharper details. Some online catalogs estimate that ordinary 2011 coins in good condition may range between approximately 50 cents and €1, depending on rarity and demand, although rare varieties can exceed those values significantly. Foronum +2. Another important topic surrounding the 50 euro cent coin is the material known as Nordic gold. Despite its name, Nordic gold contains no actual gold. It was developed to create a durable coin alloy with a warm golden color while remaining inexpensive to manufacture. The alloy is resistant to tarnishing and difficult to counterfeit, making it ideal for circulation coins. The unique composition also gives euro cent coins their characteristic sound when dropped or handled. Many people mistakenly believe the 50 euro cent coin contains real gold because of its appearance. But its value comes entirely from its legal monetary status rather than precious metal content. Wikipedia: the euro itself became a powerful symbol of European integration, and coins like the 2011 50 euro cent piece traveled across borders more freely than most previous national currencies. Before the euro, European countries used their own currencies such as the German mark, French franc, Italian lira, Spanish peseta, and Greek drachma. The introduction of the euro simplified trade, travel, and economic cooperation throughout Europe. A coin minted in one country can be used legally in all Eurozone countries, meaning a 2011 Austrian 50-cent coin could easily circulate in Portugal, France, or Finland. This cross-border movement makes euro coin collecting exciting because people can discover many different national designs in ordinary pocket change. Wikipedia +1 collectors also study mint marks and production locations. Certain countries operate multiple mints, and each mint may use small identifying letters or symbols on the coin. Germany, for example, uses several mint marks including A, D, F, G, and J to identify different mints in Berlin, Munich, Stuttgart, Karlsruhe, and Hamburg. These small details can create additional collectible varieties. Some enthusiasts attempt to complete full sets containing every country, every year, and every mint mark of the euro coin series. Because the euro system includes many nations and yearly changes, collecting euro coins can become a lifelong hobby involving history, geography, politics, art, and economics all at once. In cultural terms, the 50 euro cent coin is more than just money. It represents a period in European history when nations attempted deeper cooperation through shared institutions in shared currency. The coin symbolizes everyday European life, passing from hand to hand in markets, cafes, trains, vending machines, and shops across the continent. Millions of tourists carry these coins while traveling between countries without needing currency exchange. For younger generations born after the euro's introduction, coins like the 2011 50 euro cent piece are normal everyday objects, but for older Europeans they represent a major historical transformation from the era of national currencies to a shared economic identity. Today, many coin collectors search through circulation coins looking for rare years, unusual minting errors, and low mintage issues. Errors such as double strikes, off-center designs, incorrect planchets, or misaligned dies can dramatically increase a coin's value. However, most internet rumors claiming ordinary 50 euro cent coins are worth hundreds or thousands of euros are usually exaggerated. Most circulated coins remain close to face value unless they possess genuine rarity, historical significance, or exceptional condition. Online collector communities often discuss whether specific years are difficult to find in circulation, and some 2011 issues have gained modest collector interest because of lower mintages or regional distribution patterns. Reddit +1 overall, the 2011 50 euro cent coin is a fascinating object that combines economics, art, politics, engineering, and history into a single small piece of metal. Whether viewed simply as pocket change or as a collectible artifact, it tells the story of modern Europe and the effort to create unity among diverse nations. Its shared European reverse side and nationally unique obverse side perfectly reflect the balance between collective identity and individual national heritage. For collectors, historians, travelers, and ordinary citizens alike, the coin remains an important symbol of the euro era and continues circulating throughout Europe more than a decade after its minting.